to talk about Litecoin, a cryptocurrency that's within the top 10 in terms of market cap. One of the oldest and most utilized cryptocurrencies to date right now. And what is Litecoin? Litecoin is a open source peer to peer cryptocurrency that's used to make transactions quicker, cheaper, and more efficient throughout the world. It's designed to compete with the likes of major credit cards and banking institutions, and it does the same things, the same functions, but at a cheaper price and at a faster rate. So let's jump into a little bit of facts of Litecoin. So right now, as the recording of this video, Litecoin's price is around $31, market cap around 1.8 billion, just shy of 2 billion. And is it in my portfolio? Absolutely. I've held Litecoin for close to 2 years now. So I'm still up on my position, on most of my positions, even with the bear market that we just went through in 2018. The reason I hold Litecoin currently is because of the real world use. People actually use Litecoin as a means of transaction right now. It's not anywhere near mass adoption or, used by everyone or even a large percentage of people, but it is used. So there is a real world use there. The market cap, with it being in the top 10 and it being around since I believe 2011, that gives me confidence in the project. That it's had some stability. 8-9 years for it to still be around, for it to still be a top 10 cryptocurrency. For me, that's a pretty big deal. So as I said, right now it's trading around $31. Just like the rest of the market, it lost most of its value during this bear market. Any crypto holders like myself would know that, we absolutely got crushed this year. However, I believe it was taken a little bit out of context because, this market has done this several times before. It was just larger numbers this time because there was more participants in the market, more money in the market. So when you seeing those 80-90% drops, it felt a little worse than previous times when that's happened. But it was nothing uncharacteristic of this market. And Litecoin was one of the coins that held its value better, relative speaking, to some of the other projects. So that's something to be excited about, Litecoin. So Litecoin has always been kind of known as the silver to Bitcoin being gold. So it's always been kind of that little brother to big brother Bitcoin. And that's how people have seen it. Although Litecoin is faster and cheaper and there's more Litecoin than Bitcoin, for some reason it was just never able to, get to the same heights as Bitcoin. Although it's faster and cheaper than Bitcoin, and here's a problem that lies with Litecoin is, projects like Ethereum, EOS, all of these new projects have come out and they can do more transactions faster and cheaper than Litecoin. So, honestly speaking, as of today, Litecoin's technology is a little bit outdated. And in my opinion, the thing that's holding them, steady is just the history. They do have, in terms of cryptocurrency, I would consider Litecoin a household name. I mean, I think when you think cryptocurrency, it's one of the top 5 that come to mind. But in order for Litecoin to really see new heights and to really, jump above some of the other cryptocurrencies in terms of momentum and speed, moving ahead, they would really need to shake things up. They would really need to do something different. And I think the only thing that they could do right now at this point would be if they can stay in conversation with Bitcoin in terms of, the mass adoption, in terms of markets, in terms of, getting listed on a major stock exchange. If they start talking Litecoin futures like they did the Bitcoin futures, that could give, Litecoin the push that it needs to stay relevant and to continue to grow. Now, that's not to say that Litecoin is not going to have any growth regardless. With it being in the top 10 in terms of market cap, when people start to put money back into the market, Litecoin will be one of the projects that it does. And that kind of takes me to my next price prediction. So right now, if the market cap were to, double, triple, or quadruple, this year in 2019, I think Litecoin will stay right in line with the market cap. I don't think it'll outpace it. I don't think it'll fall behind. So, I'm thinking the market cap, we're a little over 100 billion right now. I think it's like 100, between 120 and 130 billion right now. I could see this market, possibly doubling or tripling in 2019. So if we go to 260 or 390, I could see Litecoin getting anywhere back to $60 to $90 per coin. That's kind of my price prediction for 2019. That's not to say that, Litecoin couldn't get to, $1,000 in 2019. None of us know, but, in my opinion, I think it'll stay on par with the market cap. And I see the market cap either doubling or tripling this upcoming year. So if you guys have any questions about Litecoin, that's just my take on it for 2019. I just wanted to share that with you guys. But yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Shoot me an email, a direct message on Instagram. I'll be sure to get back to you guys. And Happy New Year again. I wish you guys a lot of success and prosperity here in 2019. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.